Hello, this is Jonathan Kamlegea, and today I want us to look at this number. In this question, we have 8 red pens, and then we have 5 blue pens. We have 5 blue, pens, and also we have 2 green. We have 2 green, pens. These pens are to be picked randomly from a carton. You're supposed to pick 2 pens, but our carton has got 3 pens. I'm going to start by letting, if I put solution of my question, I'll let red stands for R, let blue stands for B, and also we're going to let green to stand for G. That means that if I'm to find out in my question, here we are going to have 8 red, we're going to have 5 blue, you're going to have 2 green. Then our container, it contains 3 different pens, and these 3 different pens are to be picked at random from this container. We are going to start by drawing the tree diagram representing this information, and this is how we are going to have our tree diagram drawn. If I represent my container or my carton with this, this means my carton it has 3 different types of pens. My carton, that we pick 3 pens at a go. You pick 1 pen there, the second pen, and also the third pen. In the first probability, the total of these pens, when you add 8 plus 5 plus 2, it's going to give you 15. It's going to give 15. Therefore, the total here we have 15 pens in that box. That's the total of our pens. Meaning that here we can have the probability of picking a red pen. Probability of picking red, 1. Your probability of picking blue. Your probability of picking green. Meaning that here the probability of picking a red pen, it's going to be 8. It's going to be 8 out of 15. Probability of picking a blue pen is going to be 5 out of 15. The probability of picking a green pen is going to be 2 out of 15. But remember, when you pick these pens, the pens keep reducing. Therefore, our box now it will contain this type of pens because the pens have reduced. Meaning that if we pick, let me see how I can do it better. If you have removed a red pen from here, meaning that our box now, the number of pens inside here, they have reduced. Now you're going to have the blue, they're going to remain 5 blue. The red are going to remain, the green are going to remain 2 green. Whereas the red one, they're going to reduce by 1. Now they're going to be 7 reds, because we have picked 1 red pen from there. If you come here again, also here, our red pens are going to reduce. Our blue pens are going to reduce at this point. Meaning that we are going to have 8 blue. We are going to maintain the blue. The red, they're going to be 8. Now the blue, they're going to be now 4 blue. You're going to have 4 blue. And the green, you're going to maintain them. They're going to be 2 green. If we come here, on this part here, on the last chances of picking, also our red, they're going to maintain as 8 red. Our blue, they're going to remain as 5 blue. And then our green, they're going to reduce by 1. They're going to be 1 green now, because we have picked 1 green and the others are kept constant. Now remember, we are picking 2 times. If you try to add the total here now, it has been reduced now to 14. Here our total is 14. Our total is 14. Our total is 14. Now let's try to pick the second time. The second time, also here, you're going to pick 3 times. You're going to pick there, we pick there, and also we pick here. The same thing here, 3 times, we pick there, we pick here, and also we pick here. Also here, also the third time, we're going to pick 3 times, we pick here, we pick there, and also we pick here. In this case, we may pick our second pen to be red 2. Also, we may pick the second pen to be blue 2. We may pick the second ball to be green 2. The same thing here. we may pick our pen here, the second pen to be red, here to be blue, and here to be green. Here we may pick our second pen to be red. Here our second pen may be blue. Here our second pen may be green again. And that's how it works. Meaning that here, the probability of picking this red pen again is going to be now 7 out of the total, which is 14. Here it's going to be 5 out of 14. It's going to be 2 out of 14. Here it's going to be 8 out of 14. Here it's going to be 4 out of 14. Here it's going to be 2 out of 14. Here it's going to be 8 out of 14. Here it's going to be 5 out of 14. It's going to be 1 out of 14. That implies that these are the possibilities, meaning that I may pick my first pen as red 1 and my second pen as red 2. Also here I may pick my first pen as red 1 and my second pen as blue 2. Here I may pick my first pen as red 1 and my second pen as green 2. Here I may pick my first pen as blue 1 and my second pen as red 1. Here I may pick my first pen as blue 1 and my second pen as blue 2. Here I may pick my first pen as blue 1 and my second pen as green 2. Here I may pick my first pen as green 1 and my second pen as red 1. Here I may pick my first pen as green 1 and my second pen as blue 2. Here I may pick my first pen as green 1 and my second pen as green 2. Now these are the possibilities in our probability. These are some of the chances we have, and therefore to get this probability here, we just simply come and multiply out. We shall multiply 8 out of 15 times 7 out of 14. Now this one here, it's going to be 8 out of 15 times 5 out of 14. This one here, it's going to be 8 out of 15 times 2 out of 14. This one here, it's going to be it's going to be 5 out of 15 times 8 out of 14. This one, 5 out of 15 times 4 out of 15 out of 14. This one here is going to be 5 out of 15 times 2 out of 14. This one here, the last one, we shall take it to be, this one here, it's going to be 2 out of 15 times 8 out of 14. This one here, it will be 2 out of 15 times 5 out of 14. This one, the last one, it's going to be 2 out of 15 times 1 out of 14. Now, if I have these probabilities, then I do multiply them. If I go back to my question, if I look back to my question, my first question was saying they want me to find the probability of picking a red pen. Now, the chances of picking a red pen, it's going to be once. This is the only chance we have of picking a red pen. That means that the probability of picking a red pen, in that case, probability of picking a red pen R is the same as 8 out of 15, and that's the answer in that question. Of picking a red pen only, that's the chances we have. The second question which they gave us here, they want us to find the probability of picking a blue or a green. The chances of picking a blue or a green, they are basically here. To get a probability of picking blue or green, basically what we are going to come here, we have our blue is here 5 out of 15, and then our green is 2 out of 15. Therefore, we're going to add these two probabilities of picking blue or a green. Therefore, we shall come here and say, if I have 5 out of 15, then plus 2 out of 15. If I add these two, this will give me 7 out of 15. Therefore, the probability of picking blue or green is the same as 7 out of 15 from our factor tree diagram. Then the last question, which they wanted us to work out here on this number, they want us to find if 2 pens are picked and both they are blue. If 2 pens are picked and both they are blue. Now in this case, if I pick my first pen, if I pick my first pen when it is blue here, as you can see here, and also my second pen when it is blue, also I'll take this one here. Therefore, the chances of picking my first pen as blue, so my second pen as blue, it's going to be this chance here. This is the possibility of getting that answer. Therefore, it is BB. In that case, the probability of picking the 2 pens when they are blue, I'll come here and I say probability of finding blue 1 and also blue 2. And therefore, blue 1 and blue 2, I'll just simply come and I multiply those 2 probabilities. And that one's going to be 5 out of this one. It's going to be this one here. 5 out of 15 times 4 out of 14. I'll come here and I say 5 out of 15. 5 out of 15. I multiply it with 4 out of 14. This will give me the probability of getting the first pen as blue, also the second pen as blue. Therefore, if I multiply here, if I multiply and I simplify, I'll end up having my answer as, I don't know if you have calculators with you there. If I simplify my answer, I'll end up having 22 out of 21. Therefore, that's the probability of getting the first pen as blue, also the second pen as blue. And this is how we get it from here. We multiply from here and then get our answer as 2 out of 21. Okay, now the last question which we have here, they want us to at least one of the 2 pens picked is green. They want us to find the probability that at least one of the pen picked is green. In that case, if we are going to take each probability which has got green in it, we are going to take this one here. We shall take this one here. You're going to take that one there because it has green. We shall take this one here because it has, shall take this one, it has green. We shall take this, it has green. Also, we shall take this. Shall take this, it has green. Shall take this, it has green. Shall take that, it has green. Because they want us to find the probability of at least a green pen appears. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's green. Also 4. This is 5. It has green. Yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, and also this one. These are 3, 4, 5. Also all those have green. Then we try to multiply out. Therefore, we shall say for the probability of at least one green, it will be the same as getting probability. We shall get R green plus probability. We shall get blue green, then plus shall get probability of green R plus shall get probability of green blue plus we shall get probability of green. Then after we get those probabilities, those values, the first one, as you can see here, because we're extracting information from here, green is this one here, blue green is that one there, green red is that one there, blue green is that one there, and then red green is that one there. We're going to get those values, then we substitute them here in this expression, which implies that here I'll have red green, it will be 8 out of 15 times 2 out of 14. And then plus the second one, it's going to give me 5 out of 15 times 2 out of 14 plus then I'll have 2 out of 15 times 8 out of 14, then plus I'll have 2 out of 15 times 5 out of 14, then plus I'll have 2 out of 15 times 1 out of 14. Then if I multiply with these expressions here, it implies that this one to give me 16 out of 210, plus this one will give me 10 out of 210, plus this will give me 16 out of 210, plus this will give me 10 out of 210, plus this will give me 2 out of 210. If I simplify further, if I add 16 plus 10 plus 16 plus 10 plus 2 to give me 54. 54 out of 210. This one I can simplify it further, then to give me 9 out of 35. And that becomes the probability of getting at least a green pen. The probability of getting at least a green pen is going to be 9 out of 35. If you try to put it in the small points, 9 divided by 35, it's going to give me 0.257. Therefore, that's the probability of getting at least a green pen when all the chances are available. Let me hope you have understood.